Title: Generate 5,200 pips a day with our proven Forex trading strategy. Hey there, folks. Today, I'm excited to share a highly effective Forex trading strategy that can help you earn anywhere from 50 to 200 pips a day. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered how challenging it can be to make just 10 pips? Many traders tend to complicate things, but trading doesn't have to be complex. I'll be revealing a trading system and Forex trading strategy that FOREX Teacher successfully utilized on our most recent signal in our free channel. Over the past 2 days, we've shared 5 Forex signals, generating an impressive 364 pips from only 4 trades. The 5th trade is still active, currently up 90 pips as we record this video. Before diving into this fantastic 60-second strategy, let me update our trades to assist our followers in managing them effectively. All right, update completed. Now let's move over to our MetaTrader platform on our gold Australian dollar chart for a live analysis. As you can see in our trade terminal, we made a profit of 12,180 dollars from this trade. Our entry point was at 3,175.76, marked by this horizontal line, with a stop at 3,170.58. Our take profit number 1 was hit at this horizontal line. Our entry was indicated by this vertical line, and everyone's entry was marked by this other vertical line. You can also observe that the trade didn't hit the stop loss, as the lowest low of this bearish candlestick was at 370.73. It came close, but didn't hit the stop loss. A quick reminder, please check the link of my recommended Forex brokers and the broker I am using in the description below. This trade reminds me of the signal we sent yesterday in our free channel, which reached 119 pips, just 1 pip short of hitting our take profit number 2. I updated it in the channel when it turned, showcasing our transparency. Unlike some self-proclaimed gurus who struggle to make even 10 pips on a trade, we never claim false profits. Our trade is still pushing for take profit number 2, however, remember to manage your trades. Sometimes it doesn't make sense for a trade to reach 100 pips in profit and then suddenly reverse to hit your stop loss. Don't give back your hard-earned money to the banks. Managing your trades and, most importantly, your emotions and proper risk are crucial aspects of trading. According to FOREX Teacher, you should do what the system or strategy cannot do, like controlling your emotions and using proper risk when trading manually. A system can never whisper in your ears to over-risk or jump from one strategy to another, or to gamble with your money. At FX Trend Following Academy, we teach our followers to trade with the right trading mindset and realistic expectations. Never expect a trading system to do all the work for you. Now take note of the powerful indicator at the bottom of the chart. We initiated a buy trade when the blue line crossed above the 0 line, as shown here. On the other hand, we sell when the red line crosses below the 0 line. This analysis was conducted on a 1-minute time frame, and you can expect even greater profits on higher time frames. To access our trading system, one of many we offer, simply visit the website link provided in the description below. Join us for free Forex signals, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more informative videos like this one. To wrap up, after 3 hours of recording and editing the video, Forex Teacher successfully reached take profit number 2 at 144 pips. Those using our trading system saw the trade still in progress, amassing an impressive 214 pips in profit. Although we exited the trade early to attend to our editing commitments, we have faith in our system's capability to generate more signals within a short time. Remember, it's important not to force trades and instead allow opportunities to come your way, as there's always more around the corner. We would like to inform our followers in the free Telegram channel that each of our Forex trading systems had the potential to secure over 100 pips in profit from this single trade. Please note that we don't send signals for every trade or every day, as these are shared during our free time. To receive all signals generated by the system daily, consider purchasing our trading system. For those interested in joining our free channels, find the links provided in the description below. Your support is highly valued, and we encourage you to like our video if you would like to see more content like this in the future. the dedication and commitment of Forex Teacher in sharing his knowledge and insights at FX Trend. Following Academy deserve all the recognition for making this possible.